Dear students, standard and basic mathematics that we are going to discuss in this video. Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board has decided that they are going to offer standard and basic mathematics subject for the students of Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board in standard 10th, that is for the SSC students. So what is standard and basic mathematics and how the weightage of the chapters are different, that we are going to discuss in this particular video. So see this video up till end and understand and choose wisely whether you want to take standard mathematics or basic mathematics. Now the question must arise in your mind, why this option is given. Some of the students in village and interior areas are just failing standard 10 for the subject of mathematics, and many a time it happens that due to that mathematics subject they are not able to finish their SSC. So the Gujarat government had given option for those students who are weak in mathematics, they can also clear with taking basic mathematics. Now what is basic and what is standard mathematics, that we'll discuss in this video. The important point of this we'll discuss here. Number 1, standard 10 textbook will remain same. In standard and basic mathematics, both the options standard 10 textbook will remain same. This option is only given for standard 10th. There will be no basic and standard mathematics for standard 9. Means in 9 there will be a common mathematics subject. There is no bifurcation of standard and basic. In standard 10 the textbook will remain same, but there will be separate question papers of standard and basic mathematics in board examination. Means before board form fill up, student have to decide whether they have to go for standard mathematics or want to appear for basic mathematics. Student can select any option before examination. Before the board examination they can select. Even the school will provide the form in which the written consent of parents and student must be given, either they have to go for basic mathematics or want to go for standard mathematics. Next point, paper style and chapter wise weightage will be different for both these options. Means paper style and chapter wise weightage will be different for basic mathematics as well as the standard mathematics. In this video only we are going to discuss about the chapter wise weightage in standard and basic mathematics. Paper style we will discuss in the other video. Those who will choose standard mathematics can take admission in science stream or the general stream. Those students who take the standard mathematics in board examination will be able to get admission in science as well as general stream, means in commerce or arts. There is nothing mentioned in the circular about the diploma courses, but as per my opinion diploma is a subject related to mathematics. So those students who had obtained their subject which is standard mathematics will only applicable for the diploma. This is my assumption. The circular must be done later on, but those who has taken the standard mathematics can take admission in any stream, that is science, general stream or diploma or any other thing, that is like ITI or any other courses they should go. Those who will choose basic mathematics cannot take admission in science stream. This is the important thing. Those who wanted to go for science stream, they must have to select this standard mathematics option. Those who wanted to take that basic mathematics cannot get admission in science stream. Recently this is happening that in CBSE board they have given this option in the previous year also, that basic and standard mathematics, and those who has obtained for the basic mathematics had not given admission in science. But recent circular has been done from the government that those who has taken the basic mathematics can get admission in biology, that is group of biology. Instead of taking mathematics, the group biology they can obtain, but this is circular only for this specific year. Means for next year it may not be implemented. Means you can say that those who will choose the basic mathematics cannot take admission in science stream or any other stream which is related to mathematics. Point number 7, students those who have passed with the basic mathematics and wanted to go for science stream can give standard mathematics examination in July supplementary examination. After passing this examination they can get the admission in science stream. This is one of the option which is given by the government, that those students who wanted to take science and they have passed with the basic mathematics, they will have the option to take or to give. July supplementary exam is taken for one subject failure student. Along with them, those students who will pass with the basic mathematics can give this examination with the standard mathematics, and if they will pass this standard mathematics in that supplementary exam can go for the science stream. But it is my suggestion that if you wanted to go for the science stream, then take the standard mathematics while fill up the form during this time period only, because if you are thinking about the admission after July, it is very difficult, because after July the result will come in August, and normally most of the schools have admission full. So it is my request that if you are choosing for going in science stream only, then give the standard mathematics exam only. Student who fails in standard mathematics can give supplementary exam by taking basic or standard mathematics. Means those students who will be fail in standard mathematics can have the option to choose either standard or basic mathematics in standard, in we can say that examination which will happen in month of July. Chapter wise weightage we are going to discuss. As I told you that there is no different textbook for standard and basic mathematics, but the chapter wise weightage has been changed. As you can see, in standard mathematics, some of the chapter which are find tough to the students have the less weightage. You can see in basic mathematics it is having a less weightage, while those chapter which find it easy for the student have the more weightage. Let us discuss one by one. Chapter number 1, real numbers, which is find difficult to the students. In standard mathematics its weightage is 4 marks, while in basic mathematics its weightage is of only 2 marks. Chapter number 2, polynomials. In standard mathematics and basic mathematics the weightage is remaining same, that is of 6 marks. Chapter number 3, pairs of linear equation in 2 variable. It has a weightage of 8 marks in the standard mathematics, while it has the 4 marks weightage in basic mathematics. This chapter also find difficult to few of the students, hence this weightage is decreasing. Quadratic equation. In standard mathematics the weightage is 6 marks, and in basic mathematics the weightage is of only 4 marks. Arithmetic progression is quite easy, in which only to remember the formula and to keep the values in that. So the standard mathematics has a weightage of 4 marks, while in basic mathematics the weightage has increased by double, that is of the 8 marks. Triangle. In that standard mathematics weightage is 6 mark, while in basic mathematics the weightage is of 4 mark, and this is a chapter which is of the geometry, so mostly the theorem may come from this chapter in 4 marks. Chapter number 7, coordinate geometry. It has a weightage of 4 marks in standard mathematics, while it has a weightage of 6 mark in the basic mathematics. Chapter number 8, introduction to the trigonometry. It's find difficult to the student, hence in standard mathematics it has a weightage of 6 marks, while in basic mathematics it has a weightage of 4 marks. Some application of trigonometry. In standard mathematics it has a weightage of 4 marks, while in basic mathematics it has a weightage of only 2 marks. Circle. It has a weightage of 6 marks in standard mathematics, while in basic mathematics it has a weightage only of the 4 marks. Construction has the same weightage, and you know construction is asked in 4 mark question, so it will ask in 4 marks in standard mathematics as well as in basic mathematics. Only difference must be there, this might have changed some of the data, while this will be direct data which would be given in the textbook. That might be happening, so it would be quite easier. Construction might ask in basic mathematics, little bit tricky question may ask in this standard mathematics. Even you know in 6th chapter we have talked about here 6 mark weightage. So in this chapter it is a 4 mark weightage, and this is a chapter of the theorem. So you have to prepare one theorem, and it will definitely will ask in examination, that can be predicted from this weightage. Chapter number 12, in standard mathematics the weightage is of 4 mark, while in basic mathematics only 2 mark. Chapter 13, surface area and volume. It has a weightage of 8 mark, while in basic mathematics the weightage is only 6 mark. Now you can see this is the very important thing. Chapter 14, statistic, which is quite easy, only the formula, mean, median, mode related formulas, and you have to keep the value. That is a weightage of 6 mark in standard mathematics, while in basic mathematics it has increased by 14 marks. Lot of improvement in that marks. Similar way, chapter number 15, probability. It has a weightage of 4 marks in standard mathematics, while in basic mathematics it has been increases by 10 marks. So you can see these two chapters, which found very easy for the students, has the weightage of total 24 marks. Chapter number 14 marks, and chapter number 15 10 marks. So total weightage of this two chapter only 24 mark, and passing mark is 26. So it is quite easier to pass in the basic mathematics. If you prepare this two chapter, you will get 24 marks. One construction is fixed, so 4 marks you can edit, that is 28, and theorem you can prepare plus 4 marks, that is 32. Easily you can get 32 marks in basic mathematics, even if you will only prepare 4 chapters. Similar way in standard mathematics also you can get this theorem marks in this chapter 4 marks, and construction 4 marks. So out of 80, 10% mark, 8 mark will be of the theorem and construction. So theorem and construction you will have to prepare very well to get the benefit of that. So this is how you can understand the difference between standard and basic mathematics. I hope it is clear. In next video we will discuss about the paper style change in mathematics of basic as well as the standard. I hope you understand. Now you wisely choose whether you wanted to go for standard mathematics or basic mathematics. By this video you must have the idea. Now what you have to decide, that you will decide at your own whether you are comfortable with standard or basic mathematics by this weightage. If you find it maths difficult and you feel that you may fail, then you should go for this basic mathematics. Otherwise it's my request that you can keep only the standard mathematics. I hope you understand this weightage, and on this basis you can decide whether you wanted to go for standard mathematics or basic mathematics. Share this video along with your friends also, so they can also choose it wisely. Thank you so much.